So here is a look at the Victorinox Rambler. Are you guys like me and you're slowly becoming obsessed with collecting every model Victorinox on the market? Because that's happening to me. And I'm okay with it. These are fun to collect. They're really handy. There's a lot of them out there, so you can spend a lot of time sort of slowly tracking down the different models, the different colors, the stuff that you're into. They're very well built. Victorinox company with a very reputable history. You know, it's not a cheap company. Make one of the best value knives out there in terms of bang for your buck. Swiss Army knives are just great. This is the Rambler. This is a very similar knife to the Classic. Biggest difference is this guy right here. The Rambler has a dedicated Phillips driver. There it is. Yeah, bottle opener, wire stripper, yeah. But the big thing is that dedicated Phillips driver that you see right there. As far as weight, it's 1 ounce. Well, okay, it's 1.1 ounces. It's extremely lightweight. Footprint, the same as the Classic, because this is a 58 millimeter. Okay, that's the Rambler. Here it is next to a Classic. All right. So, same footprint. There's the difference. Difference in width for that dedicated Phillips driver / bottle opener. Everything else is the same. Same mini tools, toothpick, tweezers, dedicated pen knife, pen blade, I should say, scissors, file, key ring. I think it's listed as being a 10 essential functions blade. Steel's the same as everything in all of their Classic models. Obviously nothing locking on this. Not a whole lot to say about it other than the fact that I really like this little knife. I like this a lot more than carrying just a Classic, just for the sake of you do have a nice Phillips driver there. Rather thick stock. Not going to have any issues with bending or warping. I really, really like this little model. I bought it just to fill out the collection. These are all going to be passed down to my son one day. But the longer I've had this, the more I've found myself sticking it in the pocket just because, I don't know, I like it. It's sort of like a Victorinox Classic Super. Nice little knife. Right now they're going on Amazon for $25-ish. I think they hover between 25 and 30. You might be able to find it cheaper at your local knife store if they carry this model. Again, this is the Rambler. Good little value. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. See you next time.